This hurricane season has been a confusing one so far. It certainly hasn't worked out like we thought it would, but it's time to look ahead to the rest of the season and see if we can put the science in place to figure out what's still to come. All right, so a couple of things are changing, it looks like, for October. One is the high pressure over the Atlantic. It's been very strong so far this year, and that's brought in a lot of dry air. But the indications are in the long-range forecasts that that's going to weaken, so the thinking is that dry air problem we've had might not be around. I emphasize the might. The other factor is that the water temperature out there continues very warm, so that's on the plus side. Now, we know there's something going on the minus side that's been holding down the activity. We're not completely sure what it is, but here is our forecast for the rest of the season. First of all, where are we right now? We've had 9 named storms, 2 hurricanes. Of course, they've been borderline low-end hurricanes and no Category 3 and above. I mean, nothing has really looked strong in the tropics this year. Our previous forecast was for 15 named storms, 8 of them being hurricanes and 3 being Category 3 and above. And now the forecasters here at the Weather Channel Forecast Center have revised that down, still thinking we could have 16 more named storms, 3 more hurricanes, and maybe 1 major hurricane. Compare that to normal going back to 1950, where we normally see 12 named storms, 6 hurricanes, and 3 Category 3 and above. Suffice to say, this is a low confidence forecast because we really don't know what's holding down the tropical activity this season, but that's what the science says, 15, 5, and 1.